production company's doing a deal, they're only making their fees like 10% of whatever their budget is, and the difference between a scripted budget and a non-scripted budget, you're talking like a 1.5 million for like a scripted comedy, but when you're talking like non-scripted, you're talking between 200 to 400,000
per episode.
Yeah.
And then the producer's fee in that is 10%.
So they're not making their money on that. So a lot of these production companies are making money on the post because they own all the equipment. And
hold on, Mayu. You just identified where the money is. This is important. You said production companies are making their money on the post. That's where you pad, and that's where you find your margins.
That's not you find a lot of your margins, because I mean, like, there's a standard rate that everybody pays. Like, if I want to go out and I want to get an editor, a good editor easily can be like $650, $750 a day. A network's not going to look at that and go, oh my God, because when you're vetting a budget, it's market vettings, But on the other side of it, once you get it through, and you're the production company, you're like, okay, like, wait a minute, like, let me buy these equipment so now I'm not renting these on a week-to-week basis. Let me get this editor in for, I'm giving them a long-term gig. Let me get them down like $500 a day. Let me do this. And all of a sudden, now you start piling up your money, and this is like trying to increase your profit margin.
Sounds like gangsterism to me, brother. You know what I'm saying? But it's all good.
But here's the thing: if you were actually go out and do it, and just do it like at market rate. That's what it is.
Yeah, exactly. You make no money. You make no money. Yeah.
So the idea is you bring a lot of this stuff, inside. But if you are the person who created the idea, that was one of the issues when I had my own production company, and they were like, I was kind of being directed to other production companies. I'm like, I can do this. I've done this. My production credits say I can do this. And they're like, oh, yeah. But some of the bigger networks would be like, yeah, but we would really like you to partner with them. Well, if I partner with them, I just get a producer fee. I don't get any of that money they're making on the back end or through production efficiencies. So all of a sudden, it's like I'm just an employee anyway. And that's not the goal. The goal is you want to build